Good morning, everybody. The birds are teasing Vivi. they keep going back and forth, and Vivi's watching them. I've never seen him chase a bird. But he's watching them. He's so funny. Well, it's gotten back down into the 30s today. I guess that was a very short-lived warm spell that we had. It's about 28 degrees right now. But the good thing is the snow is melting. So that's a good thing. So I'm happy about that. What? Here he comes. This is when he tells me he wants to come in. He's meowing. Are you meowing at me? He cracks me up. He's so funny. What you meowing about? Don't you want to stay outside? You don't want to stay outside? I saw you watching the birds. I am very sleepy today. I think I'm going to go back to sleep. I was about 5 minutes late. I just had a hard time getting up today. Well, sweetheart, we're not going to go in and out because Mommy wants to lay down. So, it's in or out. Thankfully, I still have my blue jeans on, so he can't bite me if he feels like it. You want some food? We have this routine that when he comes back in, I give him his canned food. So, here we go. We're going to give him some canned food. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's the one you like. Salmon and sweet potato recipe. He doesn't like the pate as much as the... Okay, this is a good one. Yeah, I know. You like this one. He'll eat the pate, but he really prefers the one that is more like a gravy type thing. So there's my putty cat. And I did want to tell you about this Revlon cream eyeshadow that I have. It goes on creamy, but then eventually it dries to a dry shadow. I just noticed that today. I was looking at my makeup on my eyes, and I noticed I put the pink on earlier this morning, and I did notice that my eyes are like dry, which is really interesting. So I like that idea that the cream eyeshadow turns into dry eyeshadow. So if you ever get this Revlon Color Stay cream eyeshadow, it's really good. It goes on very creamy, but then it dries. So, Revlon Color Stay cream eyeshadow. I've got several of them. I've got the honey, I've got the pink, I've got the Earl Grey, and it's really nice stuff. So I highly recommend it. When you're in a rush, like I was really in a rush this morning, so basically I just used my CoverGirl Advanced Radiance on me, and some cream blush, some cream eyeshadow, mascara, and off I went. So, you all have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.